Sa video natin ngayon mga kamaestro, ay pag-usapan naman natin itong special non-working day ngayong buwan po ng February 2025 in different areas po ito mga kamaestro via Presidential Proclamation. So alamin po natin yung hashtag walang pasok sa iba't ibang lugar sa Pilipinas. Ayan, so ulitin, clear lamang po natin mga kamaestro, ito po ay hindi nationwide, ito ay in different areas po, hindi po ito nationwide na declaration po ng special non-working days. Ayan. So, alamin po natin ano-anong mga lugar ba yung mga may dineclare pong special non-working days ngayon pong buwan ng Pebrero via Presidential Proclamation. Alright? So, unahin po natin itong Proclamation number 774 declaring Monday, February 3. So, bukas na po ito, February 3, 2025. A special non-working day in the city of Biñan, province of Laguna. Ayan. Laguna will mark the celebration of its 80th Liberation Day. Ayan po yung reason kung bakit special non-working day po bukas sa Biñan City sa province po ng Laguna. Next po, Proclamation number 775 declaring Saturday, February 8, 2025 a special non-working day in the municipality of Chaong sa province naman po ng Quezon. Ayan. Whereas Claro M. Recto, a former Associate Justice of the Supreme Court, former Senator and the author of the Rizal Law, was born on February 8, 1890 in Chaong, Quezon. So yun po yung reason kung bakit naman po nag-declare ng special non-working day sa Chaong sa province po ng Quezon. Next naman ay Proclamation number 776 declaring Monday, February 10, 2025 a special non-working day in the municipality of Calawit province of Zamboanga del Norte. Ayan, Zamboanga del Norte will mark the celebration of its founding anniversary. Alright. Next naman ay Proclamation number 777 declaring Monday, February 10, 2025 a special non-working day in the city of Lawag in the province of Ilocos Norte. Ayan. Ilocos Norte will mark the celebration of the Pamulinawen Festival. Ayan. So yun po yung reason kung bakit special non-working day po sa Ilocos or sa Lawag, Ilocos Norte sa February 10. Next naman ay Proclamation number 778 declaring Monday, February 17, 2025 a special non-working day in the municipality of Taytay sa province po yan ng Rizal. Ayan, Taytay Rizal will mark the celebration of the Araw ng Pasasalamat Hamaka Festival. Yan naman po yung reason kung bakit special non-working day po sa Taytay, Rizal. Next naman po ay ang Proclamation number 779 declaring Tuesday, February 18, 2025 a special non-working day in the city of Bayawan in the province of Negros Oriental. Bayawan, Negros Oriental will mark the celebration of the Tawu-Tawu Festival. Yan naman po yung reason kung bakit holiday po sa city of Bayawan sa Negros Oriental. Next naman po ay ang Proclamation number 780 declaring Wednesday, February 19, 2025 a special non-working day in the city of Bago, province of Negros Occidental. Ayan, Bago City, Negros Occidental will mark the celebration of its 59th charter anniversary. Ayan naman po yung reason kung bakit special non-working day po sa Bago City. Next naman ay ang Proclamation number 781 declaring Saturday, February 22, 2025 a special non-working day in the municipality of Socorro, province of Surigao del Norte. Ayan. Socorro, province of Surigao del Norte will mark the celebration of its founding anniversary. Yan naman po yung reason kung bakit holiday po sa Socorro, Surigao del Norte. Next naman po ay ang Proclamation number 782 declaring Monday, February 24, 2025 a special non-working day in the province of Zamboanga, Sibugay. Ayan. Zamboanga, Sibugay will mark the celebration of its 24th founding anniversary. So yan naman po yung reason kung bakit special non-working day po sa Zamboanga, Sibugay. Next naman po ay ang Proclamation number 783 declaring Wednesday, February 26, 2025 a special non-working day in the municipality of Buog, province of Zamboanga, Sibugay. Ayan, Buog, Zamboanga, Sibugay will mark the celebration of its founding anniversary and Bog Festival. Alright, so yun naman po yung reason kung bakit special non-working day po sa Buog, Zamboanga, Sibugay. Next naman ay ang Proclamation number 784 declaring Wednesday, February 26, 2025 a special non-working day in the city of Zamboanga. Ayan. So, sa Zamboanga City po will mark the celebration of its 88th charter anniversary. Ayan, yun naman po yung reason kung bakit special non-working day po sa Zamboanga City. Next naman ay ang Proclamation 785 declaring Thursday, February 27, 2025 a special non-working day in the city of General Santos. Ayan. So, General Santos City will mark the celebration of its 86th founding anniversary and the 36th Kalilangan Festival. Ayan. So, yun naman po yung reason kung bakit walang pasok po sa General Santos City. Next naman po ay ang Proclamation number 786 declaring Friday, February 28, 2025 a special non-working day in the municipality of Tanza, province of Cavite. Ayan, sa Tanza, Cavite po will mark the celebration of its 111th araw ng Tanza. Ayan, so yun naman po yung reason kung bakit wala pong pasok sa Tanza, Cavite sa February 28. Next naman ay ang Proclamation number 787 declaring Saturday, February 1. So tapos na po ito, no? Kahapon po ito actually, Saturday. Ayan, so tapos na po ito. A special non-working day in the province of Camarines Norte. Ayan. Next naman ay ang Proclamation number 788 declaring Monday, February 3. So bukas po ulit mga kamaestro, no? February 3, 2025, a special non-working day in the city of Cabanatuan, province of Nueva Ecija. Ayan, so Cabanatuan City in the province of Nueva Ecija will mark the celebration of its 75th founding anniversary. So yan po yung reason kung bakit wala pong pasok bukas sa Cabanatuan City. Next naman po ay ang Proclamation number 789 declaring Thursday, February 6, 2025 a special non-working day in the municipality of Consolacion, province of Cebu. Ayan, wherein the municipality of Consolacion in the province of Cebu will mark the celebration of its 105th founding anniversary. So yan po yung reason kung bakit walang pasok po sa Consolacion, Cebu sa February 6. Next naman po ay ang Proclamation number 790 declaring Tuesday, February 11, 2025 a special non-working day in the municipality of Candoni, province of Negros Occidental. So sa Candoni, Negros Occidental po will celebrate the Ninagyaw sa Tablas Festival. So yun po yung reason kung bakit wala pong pasok sa Candoni, Negros Occidental. Next naman po ay ang Proclamation number 791 declaring Tuesday, February 11, 2025 a special non-working day in the city of Talisay, province of Negros Occidental, whereas the Talisay City and Negros Occidental will mark the celebration of its 27th charter anniversary. Ito na po yung pinakahuli mga kamaestro, ang Proclamation number 792 declaring Thursday, February 13, 2025 a special non-working day in the city of Parañaque. Ayan, the city of Parañaque will mark the celebration of its 27th cityhood anniversary. So yan po yung reason kung bakit wala pong pasok sa Parañaque City sa February 13. Alright, so far po yan po yung mga hashtag walang pasok po natin in different areas. Ayan po sa buong Pilipinas. Iba't ibang mga lugar po yan. So ulitin lamang po natin. Yan po ay hindi nationwide. So yan po ay in different areas po, no, na mga walang pasok via presidential proclamations. Alright, so dito ko natatapusin itong ating video ngayon mga kamaestro. Kung di ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, click mo na ang subscribe button dyan para ikaw yung unang nakapanood ng mga videos na ina-upload natin. Katulad ito, yung mga updates pa rin sa mga hashtag walang pasok. And syempre, mga benefits po ng mga teachers and government employees. And syempre, click mo na rin ang notification bell button para manonotify ka. Always updated ka pag may mga bago tayong uploaded na videos. So muli, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at pakikinig. Once again, El Maestro, see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!